One sunny morning in the bamboo forest, a tiny kitten named Whiskers wandered away from her home, chasing a butterfly. Soon she realized she was lost. Feeling scared, Whiskers meowed loudly. In the distance, a baby panda named Poko heard the cries. Curious, Poko waddled over and found Whiskers trembling under a bamboo bush. "Are you lost?" Poko asked, tilting his fluffy head. Whiskers nodded. "I don't know how to get home." Poko smiled. "I'll help you. Let's look together." The two friends set off, asking squirrels, birds, and even a wise old turtle for directions. Along the way, they shared snacks and laughed at Poko's clumsy tumbles. Finally, they found Whiskers' cozy cottage. Grateful Whiskers purred. "Thank you, Poko." "Anytime," Poko said, waving goodbye. And from that day on, they were the best of friends.